Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to repair your Conga 1099. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, ensure you have the right tools at your disposal. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a set of pliers. For cleaning, gather some isopropyl alcohol, microfiber cloths, and a small brush. Now, start by disconnecting the power source. It's essential to ensure safety before proceeding. Use the Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the back of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the back panel off. Be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back panel off, you can now access the internal components. This is a great time to clean the internal parts. Using your microfiber cloth and isopropyl alcohol, wipe down all accessible surfaces. Don't forget to use the small brush to get into any tight areas where dust may have accumulated. A clean interior helps your Conga 1099 perform better. Now, let's check for any loose connections. Inspect the wires and connectors. If you notice anything that looks out of place, you may need to reconnect or replace it. Remember, if you don't have the tools or expertise, we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, if your Conga 1099 requires a specific part replacement, make a note of the part number. You can usually find this in the user manual or on the manufacturer's website. It's crucial to get the right part for your repair. If you're unsure, we can provide a quote before repair to help you make an informed decision. After ensuring everything is clean and all connections are secure, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back panel back on and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Make sure everything fits snugly, you don't want any loose parts rattling around. Finally, reconnect the power source and turn on your Conga 1099. Monitor its performance to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about calls or travel. Just reach out, and we'll handle it for you. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.